Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to delete pages in Webflow. Let's get started. First, go to webflow.com, log in your account, and this action will lead you to your Webflow dashboard. In here, click on the site where you want to delete pages in by clicking on Open Site. In your site on the left panel, click on the Pages icon right here. Hover over the page you want to delete and click on the settings icon next to the title of your page to open this new tab. In here, click on the trash icon on the top right of the side tab. This pop-up will appear confirming your action. Just click on delete right here. Then click on publish on the top right corner of your website editor to save the changes you have made. And that is how you can delete pages in Webflow. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.